Thanks to all my dear friends who are preparing for the bank exams. And first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Lokesh Joshi, and I have cleared SBI PO 2021 exam. This was my first attempt in this exam, and I was preparing for this exam since last 1 year, from February 2020. And first of all, I would like to also give a big thank you to Mr. Anil Agarwal sir for providing me this opportunity to share my story on this platform so that it can reach to very large number of audience and help them in the bank exam preparation and give them guidance or motivation. So first of all, starting with my preparation, I had already mentioned that I started preparing in February 2020, and in 3 to 4 months I started very haphazardly. I was not getting in the confidence in the sources from which I was preparing, and there was a very chaos in my preparation. But later on, as the time flew, as the time went on, I came to know good mentors and good teachers, and my preparation improved over time. And in July or June, I came to know about Mr. Anil Agarwal sir's channel on YouTube, and uh, my preparation improved a lot after watching Anil Agarwal sir videos. And first of all, the very first thing which gave me a boost was the confidence that Anil Agarwal sir's voice instills inside the candidate's conscience. It was like someone from your family, someone elder from your family is guiding you and motivating you to perform consistently good in this exam, and giving the belief that you can achieve this success and crack this exam. So that was a big confidence booster for me. So how did the channel help me in clearing this exam? So I would like to mention here. So in one video, as Mr. Anil Agarwal sir was telling, that there is actually a three-step strategy to crack any bank exams. And with that three-step strategy, you can, if you follow that three-step strategy, simple strategy, you can crack any bank exam within the stipulated time, within 1 year. uh, so I would like to mention here the three-step strategy, which is very simple. So as sir used to tell, first one is pick up a good mock test series. So picking up a good mock test series is very important, as you know that there are a lot of mock test series in the market. There are a lot of coaching centers, and the quality of mocks they provide are different. But we have to choose that mock test in which the quality of mock test is comparable to the exam. I feel that, because it is also not beneficial to attempt those mock tests which are very difficult, or which are not comparable to the exam, the real exam, and also which are too easy in comparison with the real exam. So the mock test suggested by sir, which is I would like to mention here the name, the Smart Killer, is very much comparable to the exam, and the questions were the difficulty level of the question was similar to the real exam level questions. So it was a very big booster to my preparation. I sincerely followed what sir said. I kept a faith. I kept a faith on what sir said, and I blindly just followed him and uh, uh, took this test series. And I am happy now that when I look in the past, I am happy that I have invested my money at the right place, and that had paid me well. The second pillar of success, which has been mentioned by Anil Agarwal sir, is a good source of current affairs. So the PDF of current affair cloud, which have been mentioned by sir in his videos, is current affair cloud PDF. So I used to do the question and answer PDF, which is normally of 250 pages, and I used to read it once and revise it more often, as many times I could revise. So I revise this actually 5 to 6 times and even more than that before the real exam. And when the questions came in the real exam, I could clearly see that I could feel that the questions were directly asked from that video. So that was actually a cakewalk for me. And I scored decent marks in my general awareness section in IBPS PO mains this year. I scored 28.5 marks. And going further, third the third step which has been mentioned by sir is the preparation for interview. So I would like to highly recommend the interview videos which have been playlisted by sir in the interview playlist. They are very 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 crisp and very full of clarity. They are conceptual. You will not get any more clarity than that videos in any other YouTube channel, I think so. They are crisp, they are very conceptual, they are full of crystal clarity, and that actually saves a lot of time. And I watched them religiously before my interview preparation, and I could sense and feel the confidence inside me I gained after watching those videos. So three-step strategy, which is very simple strategy as mentioned by the Anil Agarwal sir. I followed this strategy, and as I think that this was the most important booster in my exam preparation after I came to know about Anil Agarwal sir channel. So uh, uh, I would like to again mention here the three simple steps. The first one is pick up a good mock test. Second one is pick up a good source of current affairs, as have been mentioned by Anil Agarwal sir. And third one is the interview videos which have been playlisted by sir. If you follow these simple three-step strategy as mentioned by sir, I could assure you that there is more than 99% chance that you would clear the next exam which is going to be conducted this year. So I had blindly followed what sir said, as I highly regarded him as my elder family member, and I had faith on him. And I would like to again give a lot of credit and my heartiest thank you sir for bringing this success into my life. So I would like to also mention here what comes along with this success after once you have cleared the SBI PO exam or any other big bank exams like SBI PO, RBI, IBPS, etc. So the results came on 16th of March at around 10:30 p.m. So after the results come, your life gets completely changed. There are a lot of cheers in your family, and there are a lot of relatives who call you. There are a lot of family members who come to meet you to congratulate your family. The family is very happy. The family is very happy, and all the all the pains I went through in the past, and all the difficulties I faced during 1 year, I could clearly see that they were worth it. So now I see the happiness in my parents' face. They are satisfying, they are happy, and the recognition that the family is getting in my area, that is too satisfying for them. So I would like to also mention here some recognitions which I have received in past 4 to 5 days. So our Purv Vidhayak, our former Vidhayak of our Vidhan Sabha constituency came to meet me, and we also held a photo session. And different political leaders felicitated me after the exam results came. And our sub divisional officer, which is SDM of our of area, also felicitated me and congratulated me for clearing this exam. And there were various newspapers which mentioned my success in this exam. So there were many spaces in many newspapers which mentioned that I have cleared this year's SBI in first attempt. And and I could clearly see that many people were happy in the locality I am living in the area I am living in the district I am in. So all the people were very happy. So all the hard work I did was worth it. And I would like to also mention here to all my fellow bank aspirants that never lose hope in your preparation. Keep doing hard work, and one day you will bear the fruit of your consistent hard work. I would like to also mention my story that I was never a successful person, I think, till now. During my last 6 to 7 years, I was a continuous failure. I failed in every government exam I attempted. I failed in every government exam I attempted. I gave various defense forces exams like NDA, CDS, and various technical entry schemes. I appeared for your UPSC, CSE exam, civil services exam. There too, I also failed, and many other exams I was a continuous failure from last 5 to 6 years. But I think that the hard work I did in those exams paid me well in the bank exams, as I was able to get through the tough SBI exam process in first attempt only. So to my all fellow bank aspirants, I would like to mention here that if you are consistent, honest with your efforts, if you have a right mentor, that is also very important. If you have a right mentor, plus you have to have the belief in yourself and in God. In God you must have belief that that a God will pay you off for all the hard work you have done, and the God will definitely pay off you when the right time comes. And never lose hope. I was a epitome of failure. I was a very big failure in my life till now. But now I have tasted the taste of success, and it is very satisfying after many years of hard work. So I would like to, as a friend, I would like to make you comfortable here that with your if you follow the right strategy, like Anil Agarwal sir mentioned, the three simple steps you follow consistently and religiously. I would like to assure you that you would definitely clear the bank exams if you are honest with your efforts. Okay. So I again would like to thank you to Mr. Anil Agarwal sir. A huge credit I would like to dedicate to sir, because I followed his strategy, what he told to all bank exam aspirants in his videos. I followed it religiously, and I followed it like blindly, as I always regarded him as my elder family member. And I also look forward to your blessings, sir, and in my future endeavors. So thanking you once again, thank you so much, and all the best to all my bank exams fellow bank exams experience for your future endeavors. Thank you.